Enhance your images by adding realistic shadow to your subject. The first thing you'll do is you select and duplicate your subject layer and turn off the visibility of the top layer. Select the underlying layer and create a color overlay with dark shade. Turn on the visibility of the top layer. Go to Edit menu and select Distort from the free transform options. Distort the dark layer as needed. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery and select Field Blur. Place a pin at the top and bottom and adjust freely. Also, you can add path blur to add more realistic feel to the shadow. Click OK. Change the blend mode and reduce the opacity. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Now our image is ready.